Is your Kia Forte key fob not working? Don't panic. The most common causes are a dead battery or a lost connection with your car. First, replace the battery. Kia Forte key fobs typically use a CR2032 battery. If the LED doesn't light up when you press a button, that's a strong indicator the battery is dead. After replacing it, try resyncing the fob. To resync, insert the key into the ignition, turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Then, simultaneously, press the lock and unlock buttons on the fob for 5 to 10 seconds until the car lights flash. Turn the ignition off and test the fob. According to Edmunds' data, resyncing fixes the issue in 75% of cases without needing new parts. Remember to clean the battery contacts quarterly and avoid extreme temperatures to extend battery life. If a new battery and resyncing don't solve the problem, the issue might be with your car's antenna. The antenna receives the signal from your key fob and can sometimes corrode or become damaged, especially in humid climates. A recall in early 2025 addressed faulty antennas in certain 2020 to 2022 Forte variants. Check for corrosion or damage around the antenna, often located near the rearview mirror or under the dash. Antenna issues are rarer, accounting for around 15% of key fob problems, but can require professional replacement costing $100 to $300. Looking ahead, Kia is integrating more digital technology like the Kia Connect Plus app for smartphone diagnostics and moving towards keyless entry systems. Future trends include AI-driven diagnostics and biometric options, potentially reducing key fob failures to under 5% by 2030.